So uSnesh is the one who's giving Musamseleko's advice now. Kanjani liphi libhubesi lasemzumbe. So anyway guys, without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. No, the rest of the house welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday, happy New Year, guys. For those who don't know what's going on, Uthando's Tembo season 9 trailer has officially been released. Guys, Umakwela, she doesn't care whether the wife accepted her or not, as long as Umamkhulu Udlonkulu Umuze Kamseleka has accepted her. Umangwawe, guys, she's still there. You still remember season 8, Umangwawe once said she's not coming back. We can see her on the trailer busy complaining like nobody's business. Umakwela, she's falling apart. Like guys, you can tell Umakwela, she's tired of being the Mbogoto, the Begezeleng wife. Yo, we are Kala Umakwela, guys. Season 8, she was crying. Season 9, she's crying. I think it is time for Umakwela to let go, but I doubt she'll ever leave her husband, guys. Remember, Umakwela, she might be acting, but now part your production, your Uthando's Tembo, guys. Umacele, hi guys. Umacele, she's the same Macele Udlonkulu, guys. Umayeni, guys. Umayeni, she's saying she's regretting for giving Musamseleko a second chance. She's saying she's better without Musamseleko, guys. Abusne, they are now giving Musamseleko ukuthi ayenze kanjani lesithembu sakhe. Usne, she's saying ukuthi akahamba uhamba esiyosala seyincenga, guys. Uenhle, she's asking Musamseleko, why did you have to bring wife number 5? Wife number 5 was necessary now. Okay, I haven't seen Mpumelelo noLwandle no Abongwe. We might see them when the show, guys, come next month for February 2026. So guys, ziyakhala laphana kuThando's Tembo season 9. We can see Musamseleko, guys, cleaning his own house. Imagine a whole executive producer with 5 wives. Umacele, Umayeni, Uthobile, Umangwawe, noMakwela, and he also has the kids. Kanti usine guys. The people are saying Musamseleko is falling apart. So anyway guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday, happy new holiday. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Bye.